Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
Alright, let's get this channel shout out on the road. A little pre-mix for fairness. Make sure everything is nice and not clumped together. So, go with the canteen of choosing. And there we go. So we've got, we got the legend, Ron T. Sawyer, Mr. First himself. Let's find his sticker. And there's the sticker. We got Donna, Dream Creations and Adventure, Calzone Outdoors, Muskrat Jim. I haven't seen a video from him in a while. Hope you're doing okay, brother. Chris's Variety Channel, which is now just Chris Stone. Black and White Fire Starters, Shalicious Shell, our Fatwood Queen. You got Ryan right here. Cat in the North right here. Nicholson Family Homestead right here. So he's in some good company.
Well, there we go. Another great channel. I'm more than happy to do these channel shout outs every week for my brothers and sisters and channels that I watch. So all their information will be down in the description. Hopefully they work. If they don't, hopefully the end cards will work. You know, the video is usually short enough to do so. I don't know why that happens, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, there's that, and I also want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. Let's not forget, also 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. And I'd also like to extend my appreciation to our first responders saving lives out there every day. Without you, many would be in a world of hurt. So again, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.